In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add author bios on WordPress.com. This simple process will help you personalize your blog by including short, engaging descriptions of your authors, enhancing your website's credibility, and giving it a more professional touch. Let's begin by logging into WordPress.com. Head over to your preferred web browser and type in WordPress.com login. Click on the relevant link that appears and enter your login credentials to access your site. It may seem basic, but ensuring you're logged in as an administrator is crucial for further customization. Once you're logged in, navigate to your site's dashboard. You can do this by clicking on Dashboard in the menu. The dashboard acts as your website's command center, giving you access to all the settings and tools needed to manage your site effectively. From there, we're going to move to the next vital step in our process, adding a plugin. Plugins extend the functionality of your WordPress site, and for our task today, we'll be using a plugin to add author bios. Hover over the Plugins option in your dashboard and click on Add Plugin. Now, in the upper right corner of the plugin page, you'll find a search box. Type in Author Bios to locate suitable plugins. There are various plugins available that can help you display author bios. Browse through the options to find one that fits your design preferences and the requirements of your site. Once you have selected a plugin, simply click on Install. After the installation process is complete, don't forget to hit Activate to start using the plugin. This activation step is vital to make your new feature available on your site. With the plugin activated, you'll see new options available in your Settings menu, specifically tailored to your Author Bio plugin. Click on Settings, and you should now see an option for author bios. Delve into this section to start customizing it to your liking. Here you can input author details, style the appearance of bios, and determine where the bios will appear on your site. Whether you choose a widget, a top right corner layout, or something else is up to you, and the options will vary depending on the chosen plugin. After customizing this to your satisfaction, preview the changes to ensure everything appears as desired. Finally, remember to save any changes you make. Freshly set up and looking great, your author bios should now be live on your WordPress.com site, lending your blog a polished, expert look. That's it for today. You've just learned how to add author bios to your WordPress.com site efficiently. Thanks for watching, and happy blogging!